Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to grab a free Hollister promo code for discounts on stylish clothes. Just go to easecoupon.so/Hollister or scan the QR code on the screen. Enter your email and the promo code will be sent directly to your inbox. I'll type mine in here so you can see how easy this is. Choose your device, Apple or Android, and hit continue. The site will begin generating your Hollister promo code right away. For a quick verification, download 2 free apps from the Google Play Store. These are trusted, popular apps with millions of downloads, and they're free to install. Once downloaded, open and use each app for about a minute. Some might ask you to reach level 9 in a game or complete a short survey. This is necessary to confirm your identity and get your promo code sent. I'll speed through this part with some background music. Done. Now let's check my inbox. And there's my Hollister promo code. If this helped, subscribe for more savings tips and enjoy shopping at Hollister.